Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add post Flair in Reddit. First of all, you can open the Reddit application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the plus or create icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and here you can write something, that is title, and here you can now tap on body text, and here you can write the paragraph that you want to write, and after this you can now tap on next at the top right of the screen, and here you can select the community that you want to share this post. I can select this community. Some communities allow tags and Flair, and some communities doesn't allow. This community is allowed to add Flair on my post. You can now tap on add tags and Flair, tap on it, and here you can just simply select these flares, or you can search Flair. Here I can select Flair that is national, and you can just simply tap on cross, and here you can see the Flair is added to my post in Reddit app, and now tap on post, and it is the way you can add post Flair in Reddit. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.